What if the next cure for cancer isn't found in traditional labs, but by global network of AI-powered minds? We are on the cusp of a scientific revolution where decentralized science and artificial intelligence are merged to unlock breakthrough at an unprecedented pace. Imagine a future where discovery isn't limited by institution, but propelled by collective intelligence of the planet. Today, we are diving into how this isn't just science fiction, it's happening right now. If you are fascinated by how technology is reshaping our world, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to explain something that could fundamentally change how we approach humanity's biggest challenges, from climate change to disease to space exploration. But first, let me ask you this. When you think of groundbreaking science discoveries, what comes to mind? Probably a lone genius in a pristine laboratory, right? Well, the model might be about to become history. Here's the reality of traditional scientific research. Funding bottleneck. Only a fraction of promising research get funded. Brilliant ideas die in grant applications. Geographic barriers, the best minds are scattered across the globe, but the collaboration is limited by institutional boundary. There are research constraints. Even well-funded labs can only tackle a finite number of problems simultaneously. Publication delays. A breakthrough can take years to reach the scientific community. Data silos. Valuable research data often stays locked within the individual institutions. But what if I told you there's a movement that's dismantling every single one of these barriers? Let's talk about what is decentralized science. Think of it as the democratization of research powered by three pillars. First is open collaboration. Scientists from anywhere can contribute to projects regardless of their institutional affiliations. Second, transparent funding. Blockchain technology enables direct funding of the research projects, cutting out bureaucratic middlemen. Shared knowledge. All research data and findings are openly accessible, accelerating the pace of discovery. But here's where it gets really exciting when you combine this with artificial intelligence. Imagine thousands of AI systems, each specialized in different fields, working together across decentralized network. They are not just processing data, they are generating hypotheses, designing experiments, and even making connections that human researchers might never see. And this isn't theoretical anymore. Let me show you what's already happening. Holding at home. During COVID-19, the distributed computing project harnessed the power of millions of personal computers worldwide to simulate protein folding. The system archived 2.43 exaflops by April 2020, making this the first exaflop computing system and more powerful than next top 100 supercomputers combined. These simulations incorporated more than 442,000 atoms in constant motions for a single protein, generating hundreds of billions of data points. OpenMinds. This platform solves privacy concerns in data accessing using privacy-enhancing technologies like federated learning, differential privacy, and secure enclaves in medical imaging. These privacy techniques allow training models on incorporated data from multiple institutions without sharing patients' data. Decentralized labs. Blockchain-funded research projects are already tackling everything from longevity research to clean energy solutions, with complete transparency about funding and progress. AI discovery. Companies like Atomwise are using AI platforms like AtomNet, which demonstrates a 74% success rate in identifying structurally novel compounds across 318 targets. Using AI, Atomwise narrowed its focus from billions to just 100 candidates, dramatically accelerating the search for new antibiotics. But here's where the magic really happens. When AI joins this decentralized network, we get what I call multiplier effect. Pattern recognition at scale. AI can spot patterns across data sets that would be impossible for humans to process. We are talking about analyzing millions of research papers, genetic sequences, and experimental results simultaneously. 24/7 research. While human researchers sleep, AI continues running experiments, analyzing data, and generating new hypotheses. Cross-pollination. AI can make connections between completely different fields. What if the solution to battery technologies lies in marine biology? AI might be the first to spot the connections. Rapid iterations. Failed experiments aren't set blocks. They are data points that help AI refine the next iteration of research. Some real examples. AtomNet's AI platform can screen over 16 billion molecules, identifying structurally novel hits by 74% of challenging protein tasks. This process that once took years can now be completed in days or weeks. Now let's address some concerns. Now I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds amazing, but what about quality controls? What about ethics? These are crucial questions. The decentralized science movement isn't about eliminating oversight, it's about making it more transparent and democratic. Peer review happens in real time instead of waiting months for journal reviews. Findings are continuously validated by global scientific community. Blockchain creates accountability. Every step of the research process is recorded and immutable, making fraud nearly impossible. AI bias is addressed collectively. With diverse global input, AI systems are less likely to perpetuate the biases of any single institution or culture. The goal isn't to replace humans' judgment. It's to augment human intelligence with the speed, scales, and only AI can provide. Think about what this means for humanity's biggest challenges. Climate change. Instead of isolating research teams, we could have a global AI network optimizing everything from carbon capture to renewable energies simultaneously. Pandemic preparedness. Real-time global health monitoring with AI that can be identified and respond to emerging threats before they become pandemics. Space exploration. Distributed AI system could analyze data from telescopes worldwide, potentially discovering habitable planets or signs of life. Personalized medicine. AI could analyze your genetic profile against millions of others globally, developing treatments tailored specially to you. You are not just talking about faster research, you are talking about solving problems that are precisely impossible to tackle. The future of science isn't something that's going to happen to us. It's something we can all be part of. Whether you are a researcher, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who cares about solving global challenges.